Grammar School is located on the lands of the Bunurong people, and we wish to acknowledge them as traditional owners.
We would also like to pay our respects to the elders, past, present, and Aboriginal elders of the other communities who may be present today.
Australians, all let us rejoice, for we are one and free, with golden soil and wealth for toil. Our home is girt by sea, our land abounds in nature's gifts of beauty rich and rare. In history's page, let every stage advance Australia fair. In joyful strains, then let us sing advance Australia fair. Beneath our radiant Southern Cross, we'll toil with hearts and hands to make this commonwealth of ours renowned of all the lands. For those who've come across the seas with boundless plains to share, with courage let us all combine to advance Australia fair. In joyful strains, then let us sing advance Australia fair.
Hello, it's Mrs. Wrigley here with the Principal's Report this week, stepping in for Mr. Rolfe while he is away on a very important study tour all the way over in New York, America. So he will be back with us in the middle of next week, and he will be very excited to tell us all about his learning that he has completed while he's over there. So we look forward to seeing Mr. Rolfe back with us soon. A very big welcome to everyone to Term 2. I hope you all had a wonderful, relaxing, safe holiday break. And for those that celebrate Easter, I hope you had a lovely Easter weekend as well in the holidays. This week we have had our school photos, and I must say everyone looked very handsome and gorgeous with their school uniform and their big smiles ready for photo day. And I'd just like to say a very big thank you to Mrs. Kelly for organising the school photos. I'm sure you can appreciate it's a very big job in a school our size. So great job, Mrs. Kelly. Next week, we have only a 4-day school week. On Thursday, as you may know, it is Anzac Day, and that will be a public holiday. But Mr. Rolfe, Miss McGrath, and our 2 school captains will be attending an Anzac Day service, and the rest of the school is also invited to attend. It is in the Greg Clydesdale Square in the main street of Cranbourne, and that commences at 11 o'clock for any of our families that would like to join Mr. Rolfe, Miss McGrath, and our captains in attending that special Anzac Day service on Thursday. And a final reminder that Friday is a normal school day. It's not a long weekend for us, unfortunately, so we look forward to seeing everyone back at school on Friday as normal. I hope you all have a fantastic weekend, and we'll see you next week back at school. everyone. Welcome to our very first Getting Giggly with Mrs. Wrigley for term 2. Can you believe we're in term 2 already? All right, who's ready to have a laugh? What's black and white over and over again? 10 seconds thinking time and see if you can work it out. All right, let's see how you went. What's black and white over and over again? A penguin rolling down a hill. I hope you liked that one. I hope it put a smile on your face. And remember, laughter is the best medicine. Have a great week, everyone. Bye now.